Hi! If you're looking for a free, unlimited, and reliable VPN with servers in Japan, this video is for you. I'll show you the best option, whether you want to secure your connection, protect your privacy, or bypass geo restrictions, all without spending a penny. So, the best free and truly unlimited VPN with servers in Japan is Proton VPN. It's a premium VPN that also offers a generous free plan with 10 different server locations, including Japan. It works on all major devices and operating systems. It includes a kill switch, uses a fast and secure WireGuard protocol, and has an obfuscation feature called Stealth, which helps in countries with strong internet restrictions. To download it, use the link in the description and click Get Proton VPN Free. Enter your email address to create a free account, then download the app. I won't walk you through the installation process because it's super simple. Just like installing any other app, click Next, Accept, Install, and you're done. I'm using Windows here, but the process is similar on any device. Once installed, log in with your email and password. This is what the Proton VPN app looks like. The free plan gives you access to 10 countries, including Japan. To connect, just click Connect, and the app picks the fastest server for you. However, with the free version, you can't manually choose a country, which means you can't manually select Japan. Proton VPN chooses a location automatically. I'll click Connect, and in a few seconds, I'm connected. My real IP address has now been replaced by a VPN IP located in Japan. If I check my IP address here, you can see it now shows Japan. If it doesn't connect you to Japan on the first try, you're of course free to disconnect and try again. To disconnect, just click here, and you're back to your real IP address. If you want manual country selection or more locations, you'll need a paid VPN. Here are your options. Option 1, upgrade to Proton VPN Plus, which gives you access to 18,000 servers in 129 countries. If you go this route, make sure to use the link vpn-club.com/proton to get the best deal currently available. Right now, Proton VPN Plus costs about $2.99 per month, which works out roughly to 12 cents per day. Option 2, use another premium VPN like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. They both have servers in Japan. If you prefer one of these, use the links vpn-club.com/express and vpn-club.com/nord to get the best current offers, often with several free months included. All three offer a risk-free trial via a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can sign up, use the service for a few weeks, and then request a refund if you're not satisfied. No questions asked. This VPN secures your connection, protect your privacy, and bypass geo restrictions. They're all available on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, iPadOS, Android TV, Apple TV. In short, Proton VPN Free is the best free option right now, but it does have limitations. So if you can, go for the paid version of Proton VPN or choose another premium VPN like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. By using the links vpn-club.com/proton, vpn-club.com/express, or vpn-club.com/nord, you'll get the best deals currently available. And remember, all of them offer a risk-free trial with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them out with complete peace of mind. That's it for today. Now you know the best free VPN with servers in Japan. If you have questions, leave a comment and I'll reply. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you next time.